All right, so we are on day number 20 of the 2022 Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. As you can see, we've got 19 of these guys together so far. I've done a separate video for each one of them. Let's move on to day number 20. All right. Okay. Okay, we got the dish. All right. I'm gonna need to start moving these guys out of the way here so you can actually see what we're making. So far, what do you think is your favorite that we've made out of this whole set here? Yeah, I've definitely got a few that I like, but I don't want to influence you as far as where my favorites are. All right, so this one goes here. This one goes here. Looks like that's an interesting piece. I don't know if I've ever seen one like that. This one goes in the middle, and it goes like that. And then this one goes like this. This one goes like this. And then it looks like this one goes inside of that. It's pretty cool. And this one goes inside of that. It's coming together. And then got the little antenna piece right here. And then that goes on like that. And then we have our dish. We've got 3 extra pieces again. I suppose you could add them if you wanted to, but we're just going to keep it holistic the way it was meant to be. So that's day number 20. Super cool. Definitely a lot of snow ones. As you can see, we've got that so far. All right, so we'll be back tomorrow. We'll do number 21.